Even though we don't have our handwriting workbooks with us at home, we will still be working on some handwriting. This paper is from A to Z Teachers. That's a free website that my mom helps me to make with this paper. Remember, today we will be doing some V, W, X, Y, and Z handwriting practice. They are letters that slide down to the end of the alphabet. Remember, this is a fun diagonal line slide. This is too fast and this is too slow, but this is just right. Let's get started. I have a tiny pencil with a gripper. It's okay if you don't have a gripper. Just make sure to hold your pencil correctly. Let's write the date. Today is May 15th. We've already done our first line of handwriting, so now we have to move on to our second and third lines. Let's start over here with V. Side down, side up. Now let's do lowercase v. Side down, side up. W. Side down, side up. Do it again. Side down, side up. Do it again. Side down, side down. Side down, side down. Slide down, stop. Slide all the way down. Slide down, stop. Slide all the way down. Go across, slide down, go across. Go across, slide down, go across. Good job. Let me shake out my hands a little bit. Woo! Now let's move on to our next line of handwriting. We will be copying the letters, but we will be doing it by ourselves this time. Let's start with V. Side down, side up. Side down, side up. Remember, uppercase letters are tall, tall, tall. Lowercase letters are small, small, small. Now let's move on to W. Side down, side up. Do it again. Side down, side up. Do it again. Side down, side down. Side down, slide down. Slide down, stop. Slide all the way down. Slide down, stop. Slide all the way down. And now Z. Go across, slide down, go across. Go across, slide down, go across. Phew, that was a good handwriting practice. Let's shake out our hands. Now let's go do something fun. Maybe we can ride a bike, we can play outside, we could read a book. Good job,